Top reasons why you should start drinking Rooibos tea. As it does not contain caffeine, Rooibos is the perfect infusion to drink at any time, but also Rooibos tea has many more health benefits. Drinking infusions in autumn is a pleasure, but not all of them can be taken at any time of the day. Rooibos tea is one of the best options to enjoy an infusion without fear that it steals your sleep because it doesn't have stimulants such as caffeine. Take note of all the healthy benefits that Rooibos tea, which is not really a tea, can bring you. What is Rooibos? It is not a tea, but an infusion of herbs from the fermentation of the leaves of a shrub called Aspalathus linearis that gives it its characteristic reddish hue. Rooibos tea is very common in restaurants, bars or cafes, and of course in stores, but it is not yet as famous as other infusions. This infusion is originally from South Africa, where it is especially appreciated and consumed daily for its health benefits. It is an infusion that has an intense flavour, but as it has no theine or caffeine, it is an ideal option to drink in the afternoon and even at night before going to bed. You can drink it hot or cold in summer, and you can add honey, vegetable milk, cardamom seeds, juices and a cinnamon stick. But first, let it rest for 5 minutes. Properties and benefits of Rooibos tea. Rooibos is rich in minerals such as iron, calcium, potassium, copper, manganese, zinc and magnesium. Wow! It is also a good source of antioxidants that fight damage caused by free radicals responsible for premature cellular aging, thus maintaining brain agility and relieving oxidative stress. One of its antioxidants is called glycerol, which maintains the youthfulness of the arteries, thus regulating blood pressure and cardiovascular health, as it helps regulate blood circulation and keeps cholesterol at bay. It has a detox effect on the liver and helps to eliminate toxins and waste substances by purifying them. Rooibos tea even has the power to relieve respiratory problems, so it is a perfect drink in case of congestion, colds, or allergies. It is an almost medicinal infusion also in the case of skin disorders, as it is a very good ally in cases of acne, eczema and psoriasis, thanks to its zinc and alpha hydroxy acid content. Being so rich in minerals is a protector of bone health, so that at any time, and especially in menopause, it will help to keep bones and teeth strong. If you are under stress, Rooibos tea will also be a good companion at the end of the day, and any time, as it comforts, improves mood and fights insomnia. As you will see, it is an infusion that only has advantages. So if you have not tried it yet, sign up for the healthiest and perfect drink for the cold season. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to comment on what other tea topics you'd like us to cover, and don't forget to tap the like button. Also, check the description below for a link to our delicious teas.